How to create custom backgrounds in iMessages in the new iOS 26. Select your green icon Messages app. When you change the background in the Messages app, both people have to be on iOS 26 to see it. So I'm going to select backgrounds here. You can choose from some basic suggestions. You could select sky, swipe from right to left, whether you want it to be dusk, haze, sunset. If I like this background, I will select the check mark on the top right corner. And now this background for this message has been changed. You will also notice it says you changed the background. If the other person decides that they don't like the background, they can change it as well. Now, use the image playground, which is an artificial intelligence tool. You can choose from your own photos, but if you want to play around with Apple Intelligence, you can describe an image or add from the suggested list. I would like to find a rainbow butterfly. It is still thinking about and providing me with some design options. When it's done, I'll be able to swipe from right to left to view the images. When I'm satisfied with my background, I can then again select the check mark on the top right corner of your screen. This feature does work for group messaging. I hope that this helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.